So it seems people are finally catching up to VDOR token, which I covered last week when it was at around $4 million market cap, and today, as I speak, it is now at nearly $14 million market cap. This token has shown resilience and growth every single day, which means if you buy this token at any point in time, you will be profitable. Yes, and there is a Simpson video going on circulating on Instagram and other social handle which is predicting this token to hit nearly $1 by April 7th, 2026. And you can see from its Twitter handle, if you scroll down, you will see they have the same date written over here. And then we go down here, you will see the same post, a tweet talking about the same date, which is April 7th. So in this video, I will talk about its price action once again, and I will also tell you what is going on with Simpson prediction. Is it true, it is false, or it can actually hit $1 within the next 5 to 7 days. Now remember, this is a meme coin. It is not a legit token. It is called as Vanguard Digital Oil Reserve, which I covered many times. If you want to learn about it, well, click on link above and watch that video. This is a meme coin that is pumping every single day in the down market, where we have stocks crashing, we have gold crashing, silver crashing, and even crypto crashing. So can this token be the one that can actually make you a hell lot of money if you invest now? That is what I will cover. And also I parallelly talk about the Simpson prediction, what is going on with it, and tell you how you can buy it apart from Jupiter Exchange using just your Phantom wallet. So let's dive in. Let's talk about VDOR. Now remember, if you are someone who's new here and watching my videos for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, because I cover this token when no one was aware of it. I shared it with my Telegram community, and you can see right over here at that time when I covered it, it has just 115 holder, 100 holders, and within 1 week now it is standing at 18,000 holders. So clearly, if you are someone who is part of my platinum membership and also public telegram group, well, the link is shared below in the description. You can check it out and also click the join button. You will realize that my members have entered way early and actually bought the bottom of it when it was launched on day one. So we entered here and we are still holding it at this price point, which is close to a cent. And now we believe it can go higher and, of course, climb new highs. How high? That is what I will explain. So if you don't want to miss such gems, such meme coins that can actually make you money, you have to be part of my membership and have to subscribe to my channel. So let's dive in and talk about VDOR and see what is going to happen in the next few days, because April 7th is approaching fast. So here we have the token here. I covered everything about the token. Well, all the videos are here on my channel. You can watch it up. You can watch how to buy it, sell it. First of all, let me tell you about the Simpsons prediction. So they predicted, like, this is one of the video that I found out on the internet, and of course my community also shared it. It said that VDOR is about to hit $1 on April 7th, talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. And look at here, on 16 day left, the Simpson might have predicted the coin that VDOR hitting $1 on April 7th, and this is all about it. So is this a legit video? The question is that it is. Probably the Simpson one is AI generated. This one is just for promotion, not going to be the actual video promoted by Simpson or actual video part of their episode. This is just a marketing gimmick, let me tell you. But if you look at the price looks good. So it is matching with the price. So if you think it can hit $1, well, it's a meme coin. It cannot hit $1 immediately just within a week. That is not possible for this token as such, because still we are in the down market and not many people are, pumping up money into this. But it is rising. That means it will go to certain highs, and that highs I revised it to 2 cent, and now I'm telling you, if it actually pump beyond 2 cent, this is where it will go. Let me tell you the price action of token that I covered it, and then you will realize it has the capability to hit beyond that. And that token is your USOR that I covered in the month of January and has the exact same price action. So as high as I can predict, it can go as high as 20 cent. Look at here. Same kind of price action. Every day it is pumping. Then suddenly, on one day, it hit a high of 20 cent, then nearly crashed. I think VDOR can go as high as 20 cent before crashing, but my average selling zone remains to be 2 cent. So I'm targeting 2 cent as a safest zone for you to actually sell the token. That according to me is the peak. And why is that? You can click on link above and watch that video about it. Simpson prediction is good. The video is good, but I think it's AI generated. It can go high, but again, do not expect it to hit $1. That is why I created a video to make you aware. Don't have high hopes and don't put all your money in a meme coin that is basically will dump at some point in time, and you may not be able to take out all your profit. So the second part is, if you invest today, will you make money? The answer is yes. If you put money today in a cent, my prediction are 2 cent. So there is a bar right over here and there's a distance to be traveled. So you will, I think, make money because I don't see this token crashing immediately. So there are high chances that you're going to make money. Plus, one more thing. If you want to buy the token, so this is Jupiter Exchange. I have shared the tutorial how you can buy from Jupiter. If you want to buy the token and you don't know how to buy it, the second best option after Jupiter Exchange is your Phantom wallet. This is a smart contract. Of course, I will share the link in the description. You can copy it up. And if you don't able to understand it, well, you can also join my public Telegram. The link is shared below and you can ask me up. I will tell you how to buy it. The second option is this is the Phantom wallet. This is the native wallet of Solana. And here, all you need to do is go to the swap function, which is this swap function. So when you go to the swap function, you just need to, you know, type here the address of the token, which I just copied. And this is VDOR right over here. Click it up and you can swap it with Solana or maybe USDC, whatever it is. You can choose the token and just buy it right over here. So with $20, I'm getting 1300 tokens and swap now. It is done. It will reflect in your wallet. That is how you buy on Solana, on Phantom wallet, and you can also buy it on this Jupiter Exchange. But make sure the best thing is buying from Jupiter because it allows you to set the limit order, which means you can protect your token from crashing immediately if you buy from this exchange. So that is why I always recommend go with Jupiter Exchange. If not, then go with Phantom. But with Phantom, you need to manage every day. So this is what VDR. I think it can rise again, but my cap is 2 cent max. If it surpasses 2 cent, the next target is 10 and then is 20. So these are my price target for this token, and I think it can go high. The date are coming very close, April 7th. If I think it will dump, I think it will dump before April 7th, not after it. That is my experience by trading such meme coins. And if you want to catch such alphas fast, be part of my platinum membership by clicking the join button. And if you want to interact with me, well, there's a public group here. We have members who are trading, talking, new tokens, making money from every new meme coins that we share with the right strategies. Be part of that. Join the public group by clicking the link in the description and also have an exclusive entry to the platinum to get ahead in the race of profits in meme coin. So that's about the video. That's about the Simpson prediction video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow. And of course, make money with meme coins that can actually make you money in the down market. Thank you very much. And see, we have a group here and we're actively talking about this token. So clearly, let's meet tomorrow in the new video. See you in the public Telegram and also in the platinum, which is right over here. And let's make some money in this year, even in the down market. Thank you.